Don't you don't touch. You sit and don't open the. You don't. Arey no, beta, you don't open it. Hmm. Now, what you know in ERP concept, what it is actually in ERP concept. So CEO want to see the data every data in one glance. So that we say dashboard. What we say for that? We say dashboard. We use the word dashboard. Many people use in a different way. Some use dashboard, and somebody they use view. Means according to their software concept and all, they use it that way. But as in Hadoop, we say dashboard. So dashboard means what? We want to see the data in one glance. That's all, or in one page. So technically, like one page. In one page, we want to see everything. One will be the sales, one will be the purchase, one is stock, and one is related with accounts. In this way. Got it? So this is ERP. So teaching Hadoop is also not easy. Understanding Hadoop is also not easy. Because inside ERP, minimum there are 6 subjects. Then for management of ERP, again there are 6 subjects. You are understanding? So these 12 subjects are there. This is what 12 subjects. So minimum you must learn this. Then that is the base of Hadoop. That is what? That is what? Base of Hadoop. Not Hadoop means not like working Hadoop. Not like working Hadoop. No. Base of Hadoop. So as I said, cheating world, it means in training world, cheating is happening 90%. So you know they just teach this and they say Hadoop is over, you go. But this is also this 15 subject is also not Hadoop. Come, let me try to understand. Because when we go to the company, oh, I'm Hadoop person, sir. Oh, come have a seat. Oh, can you do to data analytics to my company? No, the word data analytics exactly comes to us as a worker. Now we will think, oh, maybe data analytics means, oh, maybe like he's asking about PIG. He's asking about is PIG, high level data flow language, means like management of data flow language, and Spark is managing including ETL, machine learning, thing. Oh, so maybe he's talking about PIG and Spark. I will say, sir, yes, sir. I know Spark, sir, and PIG. Then he will say, okay, do one thing, you go outside. Why he will say go outside? You see, exactly I said correct only. But why he will say you go outside?
Because you think too much.
No. He don't want Spark. He don't want PIG.
What?
Because this is all subject. He want his requirement, his business requirement.
Did you say no? I don't.
No, it's not like that. Means he want analytics. So you need to take exact some function word. What function word? You will say, sir, on which system you are working, sir? No. System means what? System, instance, stack. There are different words. Instance also we use the word, and we use stack also. So mostly in open source we use word stack. So we'll say, sir, on which stack you are working, sir? Oh, we are working for Python. Then you need to look inside in the Python who is doing machine learning. Now inside the Python, Einstein AI is doing the machine learning. Now he will say, sir, which stack you are working? Oh, I am doing Cloudera. Oh, we are in Cloudera. Then you must take the name of Spark. You must say, oh, sir, don't worry, I am comfortable with the Spark. Because in data also there are so many track is there.
You said earlier I know this, you will get data.
That confused because you are not, you don't know basic now, you don't know what they are using it. So again, that is very difficult. Oh, he is also a trainer. He got award. Yesterday he got award. Yesterday. So that's why he is talking in between. You are thinking that he may be not understanding. You know, you are thinking. I will just, in 1 second, I will try to just go through. Trainer for Kali actually, trainer for hacking. Hacking in game development. Totally different. It is not our subject. It is totally, he is into totally different. Yeah. No, there is no class. He's already trainer means what it will be class. See this here. You see? Yesterday it is. Wait a minute, huh? No, no, yesterday. Yesterday. Was live. Yesterday 7:14. Okay. So now this subject you need to learn in a business perspective. Again, now as example, okay. Do you know data preparation? No, yes sir, I know data preparation. Sir. I said, in data preparation, what you have done? He will say what you have done, but you must. If you give the answer, again it will be wrong. Why? Because you don't know which system they are using it. So you need to ask, sir, means Hadoop, which stack you are using, sir? Oh, I am using Cloudera. Because this is all the stack of the Cloudera. Python has different stack. Java also has different stack. And this especially, Cloudera is totally into open source. Red Hat and Cloudera, both are using this. And people who are trying to innovate Hadoop, something they are doing, they are using it. So this is the base of all the Hadoop. Hadoop IBM, Hadoop SAP, Hadoop Oracle, every Hadoop is the base of this. So these 15 subjects are the base of the Hadoop. So one by one, if you go, the Ambari. Ambari is for web-based tool for provision, managing and monitoring. Now it's come here, monitoring. It will not come in ERP. Means monitoring ERP means how the system is functioning, how the software is functioning. Is there any software problem? Is there hardware related software problem? In this way. Now, our role, a data serialization system means this comes in data preparation. Before putting data inside the system, this software will give the number to the data. Separately, to maybe second time when somebody comes and asks, oh, previous month I have invoiced you, sir. Oh, what's your name of your company? My company name is Ramcharan, sir. Oh, Ramcharan, okay, just read it. Ramcharan, it will come. You click the Ramcharan and it will come. So that the speed which is coming now, then he is doing it. Aura is doing it. Then Cassandra. Cassandra is the tool to is the base database which store data. Which what they do? Store data, scalable multi-master database with no single point of failure. Store data in such a way that every data he keep it separate. He don't mingle with other data. Because you see previously have you used 10 years or 20 years before Pentium? Pentium, you have used computer Pentium? In computer Pentium, if you just order one command or click one command, what used to be happen? Nearly 1 minute, 2 minutes, it used to take to answer. Why? Because it used to go and search in whole hard disk, one by one. Where is data? Where is what he said? What he said? Then he used to come back. But now it is not like that because this customer manages. Then Chukwa, data collection system for managing large distributed system. Means distributed system is other name of ERP. Other name of ERP. Distributed means like with different location, with different computers, it's like that. Then come HBase, a scalable distributed database that supports structured data storage for large tables. Means it will do structure. We don't have to do structure because what we will do, like we will create one document and we will say save usually. But we will say save. But this tool will take that our document and keep it somewhere where document related things are there. So second time it will bring back very soon. In that way. So already Hadoop is Google is using this already. What Google is using? Google is using this. Google.com is already using it. That's why Google.com has never been failed. That's why. Suppose if you put some word in Google which is not being put by anybody, not being put by anybody. Like an example, no, there are many words still not been put by anybody. Like an example, like what is your name? Huh? And your name? Suresh. Like Surendra, Suresh, and Sandeep. Oh, very good. Your Manjunath. Okay. Like Surendra, Suresh, Sandeep. This word may be not being used by anybody in the world. Same time. Yeah. Yes, sir. Now you see.
Let's add one name and just.
No, not one name. Surendra is already there. Sandeep. And her name? Huh? Suresh. You see, this word may be not been used by anybody in the world. But you see, now you see Google what it is doing. It has taken 0.41 second to know. Like what is this word? So he don't understand anything. So what he has done? He has brought Sandeep Suresh. Because Surendra was not there with the Sandeep. Any word he has not found. So he brought Sandeep Suresh. Now, and he has taken the time 41 seconds. Now same word, what we'll do? Now you see how Google is working with Hadoop. You see how he is successful. And because Google got successful with Hadoop, so now everybody is trying to use Hadoop. Now again I am putting the name. Just you see, watch. Again I am putting same thing. And see how many seconds it has taken. Why half of the second? You see, before it was 21, now it is 26 seconds. Why? Yeah, 26 seconds. It went to Google server, searched there, and came back also.
Too fast.
So fast. So first time he has taken 41 seconds. Second time he has taken 26 seconds. Why? So he is using Hadoop. What happened? When first time we put the name, so our Aura taken it to serialize that data. Then our Chukwa has taken and keep somewhere in a searchable place. That second time if somebody comes, they must get it very fast. Then HIV data warehouse infrastructure, then Mahout scalable machine learning, then Mahout with data mining, what it has done? It has dig the data fast and give it to back.
Too fast.
Yeah, too fast. So that's why it's taken less second. Got it? Any other question? Put me questions because it will help you because I have too much. So if I will like ocean, I can go anywhere. You see, usually people like America, so we will be swimming in America. But diamond is in South Africa. And we will be swimming in beach of America because there are a lot of bikinis girls are there. Bambam is there. So we will be enjoying Bambam. But the diamond is in South Africa, so we were wasting time there. Because our aim is not Bambam, our aim is to get the diamond here. Yeah.
But how did
Got it.
get too much fast? You will what will I just go and come and go?
That because these tools are inside this. So first time, I am explaining your question. Give me the screen. No, 1 minute. Give me. They will also understand.
But it's let me have full question then you sentence. Let me then have full question. Before not like that. You just like 1-2 minutes rest. But Google not too much hard just come there and just.
Because there are other tools also are there, which is working. So if you like this, is a generalized data flow programming framework. This stage is managing the data because it is managing the node of that connection. So it is taking connection too fast. Before, I think 20 years, have you used internet 20 years? I don't know. Maybe somebody 10 years. 10 years before also. Used to go to cyber cafe and click and wait, then it will come. But now you see it is not like that. Because now, say this is generalized data flow programming framework. Means how data flow. So the framework is already in place. So that's why it's becoming so fast. Or put any question. Question will help. You see, as example, I told you, oceans. As usually as a man, we like America. As usually as a man, we like Europe. Huh? But diamond is in South Africa.
Okay.
You know?
Whenever you said something different, that no other will go and ask the
Come back, yeah.
and say.
Yes.
So,
So don't worry about the documents. These are the original documents actually, and this is the best. The trainer usually what they do, I will tell you what they do. Usually. I must not tell that because that is also good. Because something is better than nothing. Means nothing. Something is better than nothing. That is also good. They usually don't take you people to the direct source because they are afraid of the questions.
okay, that's why.
With me is different. I like questions, but they are afraid of the question. That's why even they take demo very short, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, they run away because they think that oh, if we put questions, then what I will do? And before only I must run away. But in my case, it is not like that. In my case, you people will run away. Sir, now, we will go now, like that.
Okay, just wait,
Let them
all
put
thinking,
question.
all thinking. Right question, right question.
So this is the one. Then by using Hadoop, there are many companies which are coming up now by using Hadoop. I think you heard the name OpenStack. Have you heard OpenStack? Huh? OpenStack. As word stack is a name of one ERP. So OpenStack means like open source, using open source and building one ERP stack. This is called stack. So OpenStack, they are using Hadoop and they become very famous and they are breaking all ERPs. Everybody, even IBM, everybody is afraid about this one. And what big company are doing is they are trying to purchase this company only. OpenStack.
Also,
As I said, your stack is the name of one whole cycle. So it is called OpenStack means using open source means Hadoop. Hadoop is open source. So by using Hadoop, they build one company only, big, very big. Now, same way Red Hat came up. Now Red Hat, same way what Red Hat done, OpenShift. Open. So mine is totally different, very free, open because this is what Red Hat had built on Hadoop. OpenShift, and it is also becoming in market very smooth. They have done more than Hadoop. So, but Hadoop is the base. So suppose if you want to go for this also, Hadoop is required. If you want to go for OpenStack also, Hadoop is required. Cloudera also, Hadoop is required.
how do we got too much talk going?
Yeah.
All the breaking all business.
Yeah, business records, everything it is
But
breaking.
all these back the report.
Yeah, and future because 5G is coming up.
Already came.
5G, yeah, already came 5G. So future is Hadoop only.
I do collect
Now,
IoT.
I am taking you one very good British company. They do survey. What they do? They do survey like what is going up and what is going down. So here we will put Hadoop and just check about Hadoop, the situation. So we'll enter Hadoop.com. Sorry, wait a minute.
It's like photo.
Yeah. Wait a minute.
No, it will get lovely. It will get lovely.
Wait. But then also we'll just check with what Hadoop only. Okay. It's had taken the Hadoop. You see now Hadoop. This mark is cloud, huh? This mark is what? Cloud. In cloud also there are three systems. There are three systems working simultaneously, not one. This ERP used to work in one system, but not right now. It is not like that. It is cloud, then it is premises, then both are managed with cloud only, but that name is called hybrid. That name is called hybrid. So this yellow mark what you are seeing now, that is hybrid. So hybrid and cloud, and this is all three systems. This mark. So three systems working at the same time. So there is a demand of Hadoop YAM plus 124. So all the Hadoop which is related with cloud or not, everybody is up. But which is not related with the cloud, they have stopped. You see, this is not related with the cloud, it has stopped. It is not too much in demand. Hmm? No, not means just stop. It is not too much in demand. Like it is demand is not getting up. Yeah. So you see, all Hadoop related developers up, engineer up, infrastructure Hadoop up, senior architect up, Hadoop distribution hub. Related with Hadoop, everything is up. Hadoop trainer they have stopped because Hadoop trainer is shifting to some other areas, now OpenShift and all. Like this is already. Yeah, very big now. Already the Yahoo AIM got success, and they destroyed whole world now. Not means they destroy bigger company, but they help our technical people. Technical people are in demand now because why I just say you why technical people here is in demand. Can I love this? You got it? This one. Hmm? Because in ERP, if you are taking the company for ERP, suppose, and this is Hadoop, suppose both are working. Now, one, come first. In ERP, now you need to purchase standard software. Oh, price. Here will be price. Huh? You need to purchase standard software. You know? Standard software, so price will be just imagine, take example of 1 lakh. Just 1 lakh, not 1 lakh, 1 CR. Standard. Then you need to give license. Better come here, don't go. Okay. So 1 CR, then second is what? Like license. Per month license is there. For that also you need to spend money. So take example of like 10 lakh. Now, third, infrastructure, you need to build infrastructure, all these things. You know, to keep computer, to keep employee and also just take 1 CR. Now, again fourth one, to manage people, human resource, no? Human skill. There is also 1 CR. So you see how many? And as soon as you stop paying license fee, the software will belong to company. Everything belong to company. You will again become zero. What you will become? You will become zero. And suppose a technical person don't want to work here. Suppose, so no problem because it is not dependent on technical things. But in Hadoop, this is not required. This is not required. Infrastructure is also not required. Technical person required. 1 CR is getting expended. So 3 CR they are getting saved. And again, if suppose technical person went away, he had got angry with the boss, fighting with the boss, suppose. But he will not take the software with him. Software belongs to the person who has invested the money. Software is dependent on technical person. Again, that is most important. If technical person go away, all the work will get stopped. But in ERP, it is not like that. So it is technical person dependent. So we are in demand. So what? We are in demand. So this is it.
But what is that? In a 1 minute, the whole three system working same time. But then now four system working.
Yeah. Now it is. Right now the similar has changed. Right now 4 systems are working at the same time. Now, because he's sitting in my class now.
I think that three system is the total now like 5 or 4.
Yeah, 4 systems, 5 systems are working because something that will replicate. Replication is also there.
No, because
as it is
came now,
replicating.
Duration of the course.
Duration is
And what is the basic composition?
no. You see, if you go for prerequisite now, then 15 subject prerequisite means again it will take 6 months, and in 6 months what will happen? I will tell you in 6 months what will happen. Again, I will just tell you. You see now, I will just open download Hadoop, and you see the version now 3.11 version is going on now 3.11. Now, if you wait 6 months, 4 will come. Now again there is again cheating here happening in
Oh,
training
yes,
center.
yes,
What you
yes.
know? They are Hadoop version 1 or 2 they are teaching.
Oh.
That is totally old. 2 version is totally old. It is of 2014. 2.
Like you're saying.
Because again we need to learn version 3, and we need to do it fast, because after 6 months version 4 will come and industry will become 4. They will ask the question according to the 4, and if you not answer again it will be like fail. So you need to be ahead of industry. You see how I will talk. I am already earning money. Why I will talk? If you come in front of me, at least I will talk. I will leave the place. I am going. At least I will talk in this way. If you are behind, how I will talk? So we must try to be ahead of the industry. Sir, where you are going, sir? Oh, I am catching Hadoop 4. Hello, sir, I am only the person of Hadoop 4. Why you are going there? Come here. What is it?
Oh,
In this
when
way.
you were talking like if we are learning version 3 in the market in the top.
Oh.
But when we were learn over that Hadoop 4 will come.
4 will come.
But you know Hadoop 3.
Ah.
We learning Hadoop 3. That time it was top Hadoop 3. But when we then learn over, it will come Hadoop 4.
4, yeah. So we need to again update according to the
Like
4.
we will learn advanced only that.
Advanced
We will
only.
learn
So we need to keep the pace of the industry like that. So any questions you have? So you see everything is there. That I am not bluffing you, I am not cheating you. Everything is there. If maybe if you don't believe with my finger, you can go and try in your house or open the laptop right now. You can just type yourself and see.
Go another like office.
Yeah, put me questions. Duration actually, you see, I will tell you very straightforward. As an industry, duration is 30 hours only. But 30 hours has become only for namesake. It will be 50, 60 also. But you must give me time, then only it is possible. Because this is because these subjects are not easy subject actually, because I am already into ERP. I am already into ERP. So for me it is easy, but for this subject is totally not easy. As I said, you client, server, database, data source, integration to other system, then DB. So this is whole technically one system, 6 subjects. Then in database again there are 6
But
subjects.
now 7 subject is not 7.
Ah. So again in database there are 7 subjects. So totally 14 subjects or 13 subjects you need to learn. And suppose if you take for one subject also, if you take 5 hours, then how much coming in this? See, so we must be very fast, and if you be continuous 2 hours now, that is more better, not 1 hour.
But 3 hours is good, not 3 hours.
3 hours is more good, but continuous 1 hour, no, 2 hours is benefited. Because 1 hour now it's very lossable. Because to make connectivity of previous lecture, again we need to get the time.
If we take 1 hour, it will 10 months.
Yeah, it will happen until 10 months if you take 1 hour. So if you give 2 hours and 3 hours, then it will be very fast. In this way,
Is Wilson.
yeah. He is already 5 years experience now. He is with me since 5 years.
In every class, any class?
In every class. All whatever I am doing, he is always with me in business meeting everywhere.
Now in the school?
Oh, and he is learning open school, online school.
So, do you like any projects?
Meanwhile, both you are teaching.
Huh?
You want your
He is gone into different subject, very somewhat out of our scope. If you just see his if you open his subject now, only by opening website only we will say, Arey Baba, maybe it is not possible. But for him it is very, because children actually they have very good mind. Only what we are doing, we are not making them to go and research. So because I have made him to research and all, so that's why he went all this very advanced, most advanced penetration testing and distribution system. This is his subject.
In the Kali needs hacking, security, building, all things. Sir.
Yeah, it's
In the
all
concept.
everything comes. It is. So let's put me questions. Hmm?
Thinking.
And notes, each and everything is available. Don't need to worry about the notes and all. One question I will like to put myself only because you have not put that, and that is also very important. Like practically, how it is possible. So actually, first we need to finish this, and related with this practical, actually there are no exact practical in here. So we need to prepare ourselves and connect the practical. Or there is another option of doing practical, like Cloudera is already they made it bundle it everything. Then we need to go to Cloudera. Then download is there. We need to download the Cloudera. It's also open, and we need to do the practical. But first we need to complete all this thing. Then we must go, because if we complete this thing now, then you can go anywhere, any Hadoop you can do. If suppose job of Azure Hadoop comes, then you can say, sir, I can do. Let me. If the job of Oracle Hadoop comes, you can do. This is the base of the Hadoop. This is the base of all the Hadoop. So this is how it will be.
I want to.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.